I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog. And today I'm going to do a quick take on Wander Beauty's On the Glow. I believe this is a blush and illuminating stick. You probably saw this briefly in my recent unboxing of products of Ipsy, I believe. But I didn't really test it all the way because I didn't realize there was two sides to this bad boy. So let's jump in and see how it works, shall we? I understand this product is sold online. It's sold at the Nordstrom site. It's sold on, of course, the Wander Beauty site. It ranges anywhere between $20 and $38 depending on where you look, so you may have to check carefully. I didn't see whether it was on Ulta or Sephora, but I'm sure a quick glance will let us know. If it is, I'll put it somewhere in the description, either down below or somewhere in this video. So we open the top here. Don't know what side this is. This is the blush side, and it's twists, I believe. Very nice. And I'm just going to apply it here. As I mentioned, it's a little hard. You know, it's like a hard cream. It's almost like a lipstick. Probably could apply as one too. And that's on either side. Then, the other side is supposed to be the illuminator. This is on the glow, meaning for those people who like to have a product that encompasses more than one use. This is probably something that might attract you. But I love the pigmentation. Quite good. Okay, and on the other side is the illuminator. And I'm thinking I might just apply it on top. For some reason, the illuminator is much softer and creamier. Dare I say? I like that. I put it on the nose, just for funsies. Up here. Down here. Ooh, it's very creamy this side. It's interesting because the blush itself is not creamy. It's very... So let me see how this works. Okay, so I will say here that maybe I applied just a tad too much. So I will go in and just keep manipulating with my hand. Again, clean fingers, clean hands, clean face. And I put a little there. Okay, so this is the finished look. It looks fresh-faced. It looks glowy. I like. If you're into a glowy, shiny look, this will work. The only thing I'm worried about is because I have an oily T-zone, I have a combination skin. So dry cheeks and the T-zone is nice and oily, that this may not be mistaken for glow. I'm sorry, that might not be taken as glow and may be seen as looking a little greasy. But for me, I like it. The initial take is I look hydrated, I look refreshed. So yeah, that's my take on Wander Beauty's On the Glow Blush and Illuminator. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Do you like products that come with more than one use? Again, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know when my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest video, and I will see you on the next one. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.